Welcome, everyone! We're excited to share some major updates with regard to Tesla brand activities.
We've always strived for our communication to be interactive and useful, and today, we're taking it a step further.
We started creating video tutorials using artificial intelligence, or AI.
Our aim is to provide quick and effective solutions for all users' needs, questions, or problems.
Why AI, you may ask? The answer lies in its ability to deliver fast and accurate responses, ensuring that your needs are met in real time.
We understand that in this fast-paced world, time is of the essence. With AI-driven tutorials, we're making sure that you get the answers you need, when you need them.
We're excited about this new journey, and we look forward to your feedback.
Keep in mind that our purpose is to enhance your experience, and through the use of AI, we believe we can improve the customer journey even further.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, comments, or insights, feel free to contact us.